Hi, I'm Justin Crooks with Signal Hound here at IMS 2026. Here we're showing our new VSG 200. It's 100 kilohertz to 20 gigahertz vector signal generator with 40 megahertz of modulation bandwidth. And we're using it in our pulse analysis test system to generate various radar pulses, which our new software package uses to characterize linear FM chirps, CW signals, even like Barker sequence type radar signals, characterizes them and makes measurements such as the rise and fall time, your pulse widths, PRI, duty cycle, etc. It's a very powerful package. It works great with our SM435 and SM200 series analyzers, as well as any other Signal Hound spectrum analyzers. The next product in our showcase is the PCR4200. It's our 4-channel phase coherent receiver with one additional transmit channel primarily for calibration. Here we're showing the transmit channel generating a signal at 914 megahertz being received by the 4 antenna array here, and we're showing you the phase delta between the channels. You can also use it for if you just need to measure the phase difference between several channels on a device. You can also connect up to 4 of the PCR4200s together to build a system with up to 16 phase coherent channels. Our final product in our showcase is our VNA 400, our 40 megahertz to 40 gigahertz vector network analyzer, now with electronic calibration module support. Here we're showing the Mori microwave eCal modules, and it's a really big time saver if you've ever done calibrations with the mechanical standards. The electronic calibration is very fast, very easy to set up, and makes accurate measurements every bit as good as mechanical standards. We're very excited to be here at IMS 2026, showing you our latest and greatest products. If you have any questions or want more information, visit us at signalhound.com.